You'll no longer need to manually add your ID details for each airline if you use Google Wallet. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Google says it'll soon be easier for those enrolled in the Transportation Security Administration's PreCheck Touchless ID program to set things up in Google Wallet and breeze through security. Right now, program members need to manually enter their passport info for each airline. It's about to change as Google's deploying an update over the next few weeks that should streamline the process with the support of 100 airlines. You'll soon only need to opt in once via Google Wallet. Google says it's the TSA's first digital wallet partner for the program. All you need to do is create an ID pass with your credentials, then check in for your flight and add your boarding pass to Google Wallet. If you're eligible, you'll see a Get Started button on the boarding pass that takes you to the TSA enrollment page. Through that, you can agree to share your ID pass and flight details with the agency. After the TSA rubber stamps your enrollment, you'll see a PreCheck Touchless ID icon on your boarding pass, meaning you can zip through the relevant express line at airport security without having to take out a physical ID. Of course, privacy is a key factor here. Google ensured that Wallet shares your info with the TSA only after you opt in and then unlock your device via biometric, PIN, or pattern authentication. Your digital IDs are encrypted and stored locally on your phone too. This feature is especially useful for frequent travelers flying with several airlines. This might be a simpler way to handle things when by going through each carrier's own app. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.